to find whether a given number is palindrome or not. So inside it, which simply means what is palindrome number, that if a number is, let's say, 1 to 1, if I reverse it, then also it is 1 to 1. So this is a palindrome. Whereas if I give 1 to 3, on reversing it becomes 3 to 1, not a palindrome, and it is a palindrome, like this. So as in the previous question, last time we discussed about the reverse of a number, that logic is definitely going to help it out. First, all of you have to go to the previous section, that where you have to see how to find the reverse of a given number. Then we could easily find it out, the palindrome, that whether a given number is palindrome or not. Like this, enter a number. Then, as discussed in the last section, that how to find reverse, that we will be taking the remainder, and then this time one more thing we will do, we will store our number inside a temp variable, because we keep on updating our numbers while reversing it. So we later on we will be requiring this number, original number, to compare my reverse and the original number. So if we find the reverse, which will be updating the number by like this. So let's print reverse number is, let's execute this much first. 1 to 1. Reverse number is also 1 to 1. So what we will do, we will give a condition that if reverse number is equal to, original number is stored where? In temp. So we will say temp, then you have to print it is a palindrome number. Else we will say print it is not a palindrome number. In the companies like Capgemini, TCS, Wipro, Infosys, as a fresher also, and sometimes in experienced interviews also, these questions are asked when you're giving the interviews, and during the online coding assessments. A little bit variation of these questions are asked a lot. Now, if I give 1 to 1, it is a palindrome number. Let's say 1 to 3, it is not a palindrome number. Okay. So this is how you could just